In today's video, we are diving into simple yet effective trick on how to hide folders in Windows 11 computer. Whether it's personal documents, those surprise party plans, or just decluttering your desktop, we have got you covered. So let's jump right in. Let's find the folder you want to hide. Navigate through your files, and when you have spotted the target folder, give it a gentle click to select it. Step number 2 is accessing its properties. Now, right click on the folder. A menu will pop up. Look for properties at the bottom and click it. This is like secret door to your folder's hidden potential. Step number 3 is the hidden attribute. In the properties window, you will see a lot of options, but we are interested in one little checkbox marked hidden. Click it and you're almost there. After checking the box, a dialog might appear asking if you want to apply changes to just to this folder or include subfolders and files as well. Make your choice based on what you need and then hit OK. Now the folder will magically vanishes from the view. It's just hiding and you won't be able to see that folder. Now what if you want to unhide that folder and use it? Go to view in your file explorer and check hidden items. Just like that, your hidden folders reappear. And with these simple steps, you can hide and reveal folders in Windows 11. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, keep teching. Thanks and bye.